Hi, Aaron from Fleetistics, and today we're taking a look at the Geotab GO10 device. This is a newly released device. It has a lot of built-in capabilities that an OBD device may not have, and we've got a couple pieces that need to go along with your GO10 device. First, we have the mounting bracket, and the mounting bracket is important. It allows the unit to move with the vehicle's frame, so you want to get good accelerometer information, and this is the way to do it. So you mount the bracket. You put the device in the bracket and then you zip tie the two together into the frame of the vehicle. You don't want to zip tie it to a wiring harness that'll shake independent of the vehicle itself. The next thing that you want to order is a GO10 specific wiring harness. So the OBD plug and play Go9 device harness is not going to work with the Go10. So make sure you get the Go10 specific harness. And with that harness, you will get a variety of different connectors. Right? So this is a little adapter piece, and then you get a bag full of different shaped OBD frames. So depending on your vehicle make and model, you can swap it out and you can plug this in. It allows your OBD harness from the vehicle to remain plugged in, and at the same time, you're also plugging in your Go10 device. So if we can help you with the Go10 from Geotab, give us a call at Fleetistics, 855-30527. We'd love to help you. We sell and service the Geotab platform of all flavors nationwide and have been doing so for over 25 years.